Kwanza, before I speak in Kisii, allow me to say this in English. You know, sometimes if you want to kill a dog, you want to give it a bad name. That is eating eggs, eating chicks, eating what? Neighbors, the chuchu, every man of name that you can give it. You have seen such utterances from elected leaders. Oh, Simba is a goon. Oh, Simba is what? Oh, Simba no musolibe. Oh, everything. These people, without knowing, they are the people who have been perpetrating crime here in Kisii. They have been behind gangs who have been killing people here. They killed an innocent boda guy in town here. They killed another gentleman from Ramasha here in town. 2 weeks ago, the same group killed a contractor in the hotel here. And the police, they are busy saying and reporting back to Nairobi, oh, Simba is leading. Which gang? We want to warn them that things are not going to happen. Anybody, I disassociate myself with any element of a goon or criminals in the county. I'm the boss of the county. I would want to see peace everywhere. But for those ones who are associated with politicians who will tell them, oh, unajua sisi ndio serikali, oh, you can kill, you can do everything. Hapana. We want to make sure everywhere in Kisii there is peace. People can go to business as usual. I wish, I'm told the Minister for Interior was here. He can go ahead, make sure all the criminal gangs, they are dealt with the family. Because if we look, those teams, they are specific, they are known, they are behind a certain individuals. They are only using the name, we know we are in the government. Who is not in government? I'm running my government. Therefore, I want to urge leaders. Our division has costed us so much. Mpaka viongozi wakuu kule juu wanasema kwamba they cannot come to Kisii simply because kuna watu wanapigana kwa matanga. Basari watu wanapigana ni matusi. We can't move. Mto Wanjira natoka in that route. I want to plead with my leaders. All leaders, please, bury your hatches. Let us make sure our county goes forward. You are not going to distract me from the course. Ukipanga vita, mimi naendelea kupanga maendeleo. Tuliapa hapa tukasema kwamba mnajua vile tulikuwa na campaign, tunasema kwamba tafadhali mtu yoyote, we were accusing the former regime eti watu walikuwa wanalipa mahaki gai kwa sababu ndio ngote nga mahaki mwana ga kore form 4 ako endo aka umaya kuliko ka kimwanche gamboli. I want to be very honest. I esengenje chike chamera chiriga kangana bana babuli